wabarakatuh. Hello my students, we meet again in English class. Okay, how are you today? I hope all of you are always fine. Okay, for today, you are going to study about suggesting and offering. Suggesting means memberi saran, offering means menawarkan. In our daily life, we always use such kind of expression in our speaking and our conversation with other people. And well, okay, I'm going to give you a video about suggesting and offering. I hope you will enjoy the video.
How are you, students? I hope you are all fine. This is our first meeting in this semester, and this is the first time I teach you at this school because I didn't teach you when you were at the 10th grade of Manblora. Okay, well, I have sent you the video of my introduction, but I think it will be okay if I introduce myself before I teach you. My name's Naning Pujiasih. You can call me Miss Naning. And then I have some hobbies. I like watching movies. I like reading novel. I like reading poem, poetry, performing. I like traveling and many others. And then I'm your English teacher in this semester. Yeah, well, for this chapter, for the first chapter, you are going to study about offering and suggesting. Yeah, offering and suggesting. Okay, yeah, you can see the title of this chapter, that is offering and suggesting. And then I like the sentence of I love English. Yeah. I always say that I love English. Okay, good. Offering and suggesting. Do you know offering and suggesting is? What does it mean? Offering. Offering dari kata offer. What does offer mean? Apa artinya offer? Okay, good. Menawarkan. Atau offer itu kata bendanya adalah tawaran. Sedangkan kalau offering adalah menawarkan. Sedangkan suggesting itu dari kata suggestion. Suggestion adalah saran. Jadi kalau suggesting adalah memberi saran. So, in this chapter you are going to study how to offer and how to suggest. Bagaimana cara menawarkan dan bagaimana cara menyarankan atau memberi saran. Okay. Now, the next. Yeah, author. Author means penulis. It means that I'm the author of this teaching material. Yeah. This teaching material is created by me, myself. You can see my name is Naning Pujiasih. And then you can contact me on this number or in this email. I love English. Okay, now we go to the material. Before I talk about the material of this chapter, I'm going to tell you the goal of this study. Okay, the goal of this study. You know the goal of this study? Tujuan pembelajaran kali ini. First, students will be able to identify the expression of offering and suggesting. We hope that at the end of this meeting, you will be able to identify the expression of offering and suggesting. Jadi diharapkan peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi ekspresi atau ungkapan menawarkan dan menyarankan. And then the next goal is students will be able to identify the response to the offer and to the suggestion. Yeah. So at the end of this meeting, the student will be able to identify, untuk mengidentifikasi respon, tanggapan dari tawaran dan saran. Okay, ya. So you have two goals in this meeting or in this study. Do you get my point? I hope so. Okay. Now we go to the next. Yeah. Okay. Before I share you the example of the expression of offering and suggesting, I'd like you to pay attention to this picture and pay attention to this sentence. Yeah, okay. What's the difference? What's the difference? The meaning is, apa perbedaannya? Perbedaan apa antara suggesting dan offering? Apa bedanya suggesting dan offering? Okay. Now you can read this sentence. Kamu seharusnya makan. Kamu seharusnya makan. Is it suggesting or offering? Okay. Pay attention to the sentence. Kamu seharusnya makan. Apakah ini suggesting atau offering? Okay. Do you get the answer? Yes, that's right. Kamu seharusnya makan. This is suggesting, saran. Ya, okay. So this is suggesting atau saran. Okay. The next sentence. Maukah aku belikan makanan? Maukah aku belikan makanan? Is it suggesting or offering? Okay, good. This is offering. Menawarkan. Maukah aku belikan makanan? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Now pay attention to the sentence of suggesting. Kamu seharusnya makan. Kamu seharusnya makan. This is a suggestion. Jadi kalau suggestion itu berisi apa? Berisi tentang ide-ide. Ya. Berisi tentang ide-ide. Sedangkan untuk offering biasanya berisi apa? Berisi tentang kegiatan yang akan dilakukan. Okay. Yeah, well, I hope you got the point of the differences between suggesting and offering. Ya, saya harap sudah bisa memahami perbedaan antara suggesting, memberikan saran, dengan offering atau menawarkan. Jadi kalau memberikan saran itu biasanya berisi ide-ide, sedangkan menawarkan berisi kegiatan yang akan dilakukan. Okay, good. The next. Well, now, pay attention to the expression of suggesting and offering. Okay, well, I give you some example of the expression of suggesting and offering. Actually, there are a lot of expression of suggesting and offering, but I give you the popular or the common one, the common expression of suggesting and offering. Jadi ini adalah ekspresi suggesting and offering yang sering digunakan. Okay. In giving suggestion, yeah, you can use suggest, advise, or recommend. And then in offering, you can use can, would, or may. And then pay attention to this pattern. pattern. Pattern itu rumus ya. Rumus untuk struktur kalimat. Ya, this is for the grammar, for the structure of the sentence. Ya, it's not so difficult ya, tidak terlalu sulit. There is subject and then plus blah blah blah, blah 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 here. You can fill the blah 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 by the word. By the word. You can fill by suggest or advise or recommend. And then plus that. And then plus sentence. And for offering, pay attention to this pattern. Perhatikan penggunaannya. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Di sini you can fill, bisa mengisi dengan can, would, or may. And then plus sentence, and then plus question mark. Yeah, because usually offering is in a question. Biasanya menawarkan itu dalam bentuk kalimat tanya. Okay, now pay attention to the example. Yeah. I suggest that you must eat. I suggest that you must eat. Okay, I is subject. Suggest is the word for giving suggestion. And then that is that. And then sentence. The sentence is you must eat. Okay, is it easy? Right? Mudah ya? Okay. And then now we go to the next. Yeah. For example, if you want to say suggest and then you change suggest or you substitute suggest with advice. Yeah. You can do that. Boleh. Yeah. I advise that you must eat. I advise that you must eat. Okay. Ya. The meaning is similar. Aku sarankan bahwa kamu harus makan. Or maybe if you want to change advice with recommend, it's okay. Kalau mau diganti dengan recommend, boleh. I recommend that you must eat. Is it easy, right? Mudah ya? Okay. English is easy. English is not so difficult. Okay, now we go to the offering, menawarkan. Yeah. For example, can I get you something to eat? Bolehkah aku membelikanmu sesuatu untuk dimakan? Can. We can substitute can with would. Boleh kita ganti can dengan would. Menjadi would you like me to buy food? Yeah. Would you like me to buy food? What does it mean? Apa artinya? Okay, good. Maukah aku belikan makanan? Okay, that's an offering. Or maybe the next, we substitute would with may. Yeah, may. May I get you something to eat? Ya. Bisakah atau bolehkah aku membelikanmu makanan? Okay. Yeah, so pay attention to this pattern. The blah 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 the blah 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 is filled with the word for offering. Nah, jadi titik-titik ini diisi dengan kata-kata untuk menawarkan. Can, would, may, and then plus sentence. Yeah, the sentence is here, I get you something to eat, and then plus question mark. Okay. Well, students, do you understand my explanation? I hope so. Okay. Now we go to the next. Yeah. Okay, now we go to the response. Response. What is response? Okay, response means tanggapan. Yeah, I just remind you the goal of our study in this meeting is first, the students will be able to identify the expression of suggesting and offering. Siswa diharapkan mampu mengidentifikasi ekspresi menyarankan dan menawarkan. And then the second goal is the students will be able to identify the response to the offering and to the suggestion or to the suggesting. Tujuan pembelajaran berikutnya adalah supaya peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi respon untuk tawaran dan saran. Okay, response. Okay, pay attention to this table. Perhatikan tabel ini. Response. I divide the response into two column. Saya bagi menjadi dua kolom. Di sini ada accepting. The meaning is menerima. And then refusing or declining. The meaning is menolak. Jadi respon terhadap tawaran ataupun saran itu ada dua jenis. The first is accepting atau menerima tawaran atau saran. The second is refusing or declining, artinya menolak tawaran atau saran. Ya, ciri khususnya apa ya? What is the characteristic? That's easy. In accepting, the characteristic must be yes. Pasti ada yes, ada ya, ada menerima, ada agree, ada setuju. This is accepting. And then in refusing or declining, di sini pasti ada no. Menolak, tidak setuju, tidak mau. Okay, you have to remember about the response. So there will be two kinds of response, that is accepting and refusing or declining. The characteristic of accepting is yes, and then the characteristic of refusing or declining is no. Do you get my point? Okay, great. Okay, now take a look at this example. Yeah, okay. Suggesting. Okay. In this column, this is the example of suggesting. And then the response is accepting or menerima. Okay, pay attention to this dialogue between Desi and Dina. Hi Dina, what's the matter? I will make a report, but my laptop doesn't work. And then Desi is giving suggestion to Dina. I suggest that you should take your laptop to a repair shop. I suggest that you should take your laptop to a repair shop. Aku sarankan bahwa kamu harus membawa laptopmu ke reparasi laptop. And then, what is Dina's response? Because this is accepting, you have to construct sentences in accepting this suggestion. Yeah, for example, yes, thank you for your suggestion. Okay. Yeah, this is accepting. Yeah, Dina is accepting Desi's suggestion. Dina menerima saran dari Desi. And then, this is accepting. Now we go to the right column. Perhatikan pada kolom berikutnya. This is the response of refusing or declining, menolak. Hi Dina, what's the matter? And then Desi says, I will make a report, but my laptop doesn't work. Aku mau membuat laporan, tetapi laptopku tidak bisa bekerja. And then Desi suggesting to Dina, I suggest that you should take your laptop to a repair shop. And then, what will Dina say to refuse or to decline Desi's suggestion? Okay, good. Dina will say, no, I don't think so. I will borrow my brother's laptop. Okay. Well, okay, now pay attention to the sentence of the responding from Dina. No, I don't think so. I will borrow my brother's laptop. Oh, saya rasa tidak perlu membawa ke reparasi laptop, because aku akan meminjam laptop kakakku. And in this sentence, Dina is refusing or declining Desi's suggestion in polite way or politely, dalam bentuk yang sopan. Okay. Do you get this point? Okay, good. Now we go to the offering. Yeah. Still the same dialogue between Desi and Dina, but this is his offering. The left column is accepting or menerima, and then the right column is refusing or declining. Okay, hi Dina, what's the matter? I will make a report, but my laptop doesn't work. And then Desi is offering to Dina, would you like to use my laptop? Maukah kamu menggunakan laptopku? Yeah. And then Dina accepting. Dina will accept Desi's offer. What will Dina say? Yeah, Dina can say in accepting by saying, yes, thank you. You are so kind. Desi. Okay. Yes, thank you. You are so kind, Desi. Yeah. So, Desi is offering to Dina, would you like to use my laptop? Maukah kamu pakai laptopku? And then Dina is accepting Desi's offer by saying, yes, thank you. You are so kind, Desi. Ya, terima kasih. Kamu sangat baik, Desi. In this sentence, it means that Dina is accepting Desi's offer. Dina menerima tawaran Desi. Okay, now pay attention to the right column. Perhatikan pada kolom sebelah kanan. Hi Dina, what's the matter? I will make a report, but my laptop doesn't work. And then Desi is offering help to Dina. Would you like to use my laptop? Maukah kamu menggunakan laptopku? And in this dialogue, Dina is refusing or declining to Desi's offer. Menolak atau menolak tawaran Desi dengan sopan. She can say, dia bisa menjawab dengan, oh, that's very kind of you, but I will use my brother's laptop. Okay. Yeah. Well, pay attention to this part of this sentence. Yeah. Oh, that's very kind of you, but I will use my brother's laptop. Yeah. In this response, Dina is responding or is answering to the Desi's offer in a polite way, dengan cara yang sopan. That's very kind of you, but I will use my brother's laptop. Kamu sangat baik, tapi aku akan gunakan laptop kakakku. This is the way how to respond or how to decline in a polite way. Cara untuk menolak dengan sopan. Okay, well, now we go to the next. Let's practice. Okay, pay attention to this picture. What do you see in this picture? Okay, that's good. Yeah, this boy is getting headache. This boy is getting headache. Yeah, okay, well. Now, suggestion, and on the right column is offer. Di sini, suggestion adalah menyarankan, sebelah kanan adalah menawarkan. Okay, pay attention to the dialogue, and you have to complete this dialogue. Yeah, we are going to complete this dialogue together. What's wrong? And then Tommy answers, I got headache. And then Andy, suggestion. What will Andy say to suggest to Tommy? In this situation, Tommy has got headache. Andy can say, I advise you to take rest. Aku sarankan kamu untuk beristirahat. I advise you to take rest. And then Tommy accept. Tommy is accepting Andy's advice by saying, yes, I will take rest. Thank you for suggesting. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I will take rest. Thank you for suggesting. Ya, saya akan beristirahat. Terima kasih untuk sarannya. Okay. Now we go to the suggestion, but the response is refusing or declining. What's wrong? And then Tommy replies, I got headache. And then Andy advised, I advise you to take rest. And then Tommy is responding to Andy's advice, but this is refusing. So it means that Tommy is refusing or declining to Andy's advice. He can say, dia bisa menjawab dengan, no thanks, I can handle it. Okay, Andy is saying, I advise you to take rest. Aku sarankan kamu untuk beristirahat. And then Tommy refusing, menolak by saying, "No thanks, I can handle it." Tidak, terima kasih. Aku tidak apa-apa. Aku masih bisa bertahan. Ya, I can handle it. Okay, ya. Next we go to the offer. Menawarkan. And then this column is accepting. Menerima. What's wrong? I got headache. And then Andi offering. Offer to Tommy. Yeah. Would you like me to get you a medicine? Yeah. Would you like me to get you a medicine? Do you know the meaning? Okay, good. Maukah kamu untuk aku ambilkan obat? And then Tommy accept to this offer by saying, "Yes, of course. Thanks." Yes, of course. Thanks. Ya, tentu. Terima kasih. Yeah, because this is in this dialogue, Tommy is accepting to Andy's offer. Tommy menerima tawaran Andy. Okay, now we go to the next. Still about offering, but in this dialogue, Tommy is refusing or declining. Tommy menolak dengan halus, dengan sopan. What's wrong? And then Tommy say, I got headache. And then Andy give offer to Tommy by saying, would you like me to take you a medicine? And then Tommy declines. Tommy is declining, menolak dengan cara yang halus. No, thank you. I have taken a medicine this morning. Yeah. No. Yeah. So it means that in this dialogue, Andy is offering to Tommy to get him a medicine by saying, would you like me to take you a medicine? Maukah kamu aku ambilkan obat? And then Tommy declines. Tommy is refusing by saying, no, thank you. I have taken a medicine this morning. Tidak, terima kasih. Aku sudah minum obat pagi ini. Okay, well. Okay, students, I hope you get the point, you understand the explanation about the expression of suggesting and offering and also the response. And then now, you go to the next is exercises or assignment, tugas. Write the assignment in your book, then take picture and then send it to me. I'm going to tell you later how to send this picture. Maybe you can send it into Google Classroom, or maybe you can send it into Telegram, or maybe into e-learning. I'm going to tell you later, okay? But now pay attention to this assignment. Perhatikan pada tugas ini. Okay, number 1, there are 4 dialogues that you have to complete it. Ada 4 dialog yang harus dilengkapi. The first dialogue, there is a picture of a girl. She is crying. Yeah. And then pay attention to the dialogue. What's up? I got a bad score on math test. Okay. And then what will Alan say to suggest to Dita? And then what will Dita respond? Yeah. And then on the right side is about offer. Menawarkan. What's up? I got a bad score on math test. And then Alan will offer help or offer something to Dita. And you have to complete this dialogue by giving or by composing the sentence of offering. And then the sentence of responding, responnya. Di sini accepting, berarti accepting semua ini ya. Okay, the next, number 2. Yeah, this is still about suggestion and offering, tapi masih tentang bentuk respon menerima. What's wrong, Mom? And then the mother say, I want to call Mrs. Intan, but my phone cell battery runs out. Yeah, okay. Ya. Ada apa, Mam? Aku ingin menelepon Ibu Intan, tetapi baterai HP-ku habis. Yeah, and then what will Fahad say to her mother? To suggest her. And then what will mother say to accept? And then here is about offering. Okay. And then the next is, the dialogue is still the same with number 1. The picture is the crying girl. Yeah, she is crying because she got a bad score in math. And then so what will Alan say, and then what will Dita say to refuse or to decline? And then in offering, what will Alan say, and what will Dita say in refuse, offer? And then this one also the same, how to give suggestion, and also how to give the response in refusing. And here is how to give offer, and also the response of refusing. Okay, well, students, I will tell you how to send this assignment letter in a Telegram group. Yeah, as I told you before, maybe you can send it into Google Classroom or maybe into Telegram. Okay, well, I think it's enough for today, and you can ask or you can tell me about your problem to the Telegram group. You can send your question there, and inshallah I will answer your question. Goodbye, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.